Can y'all see that? Is my phone pogged up? Let me see. Sorry, y'all. Oh my goodness. He's right there. You see him? Oh. He's going from tree to tree. Let me get over to this window. I know, I'm being a weirdo, right? Okay, there he is. The big pileated woodpecker. Do you see him? Oh, I'm sorry I'm here and not downstairs. He's hiding behind that tree. You see that? We've seen him before, but I haven't seen him in a while. And there's not much out there. There's some corn out there. All right, that's really cool. Happy Sunday morning, y'all. I hope you got a glimpse of him out there. He's out there hiding behind the trees. Y'all take it easy.